Hey, this is Sampath. Welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to discuss about Flipkart big saving days starting from January 20 to 24 of this month. Let's see what all the deals we will get in this 4 days offer, 5 days offer. Big saving days. You will get HDFC Bank 10% instant discount for bank cards and EMI transaction. For credit card you will get around 1000 rupees discount and more. Let's see one by one. First thing you need to know about is the Poco C3, which is a very good deal in my opinion. It comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. It will come with MediaTek Helio G35 processor and 5000 massive mAh battery, 5000 mAh battery, and 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. You will get it around 6200 in this deal. You can grab it if your street budget is just 6000 rupees or like that. You can look out on this Poco C3. Next deal in this big saving days is the Realme Narzo 20A. It will comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset and it have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and you will get 5000 mAh battery and 12 plus 2 rear side camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera. You will get around 8550 in this sale using HDFC credit card. And next deal in this Flipkart big saving days is the Micromax In Note 1. It comes with MediaTek Helio G85 processor, and 5000 mAh battery and 48 plus 5 plus 2 quad camera setup and 16 megapixel front facing camera. It's very good deal in this price point. You will get like 9,999 price using HDFC credit card. You can look out this offer. And next deal in this is the Realme 7. It is an excellent deal according to me. You will get like 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB variant for just 13,999 using HDFC credit card. If you even get additional 1000 rupees off on debit and credit cards including HDFC card, you will get additional 1000 rupees. Or if you want to exchange any older smartphone, you will get additional 1000 rupees. Either of them, either a prepaid offer or the exchange offer, you will get it. Amazing deal for 13,999. You will get MediaTek Helio G95 processor and 5000 mAh battery, 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 you will get it, and 16 megapixel front facing camera. Now in the next deal is the amazing deal, which is nothing but Poco X3. You will get it for just 13,999, 664 variant using HDFC credit card. And for that deal it is amazing. You will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor, which is very good processor in 4G upper mid range. You will get carrier aggregation and full HD display with 120 Hz refresh rate. You will get it along with this smartphone, and for that price it's an amazing deal. You should definitely look out if you are planning to buy in this 15,000 category. It's an amazing deal. If you have HDFC credit card, it will get around for just 13,999. Now the next offer is, if you are planning to buy a AMOLED display smartphone, that's it. You need to buy Samsung smartphone only. They are the best in this price segment. You will get 664 variant of Samsung F41 for just 14,999, and you will also get 10% instant discount with HDFC credit card. You will get it for 13,999, and you even get additional 1000 rupees prepaid offers. That's an amazing deal. If you don't want that, if you want to exchange any old smartphone, you will get additional 1000 rupees over your old smartphone. For that price it's good. You will get Exynos 9611 processor and Super AMOLED display from Samsung, and 64 plus 8 plus 5 megapixel rear facing camera and 32 megapixel front facing camera. It's an amazing deal. This smartphone will suit for parents or like that, people who don't want gaming or like that. For them it's very good smartphone. You can certainly look out. And the best thing in this is You'll get 6000 mAh massive battery in this smartphone. You can certainly look out. If you're looking for Apple iOS smartphones, you'll get iPhone 11 for just 47,999 using HDFC credit card, and for that deal you can get it. You can definitely look out. This is the best smartphone you'll get for iOS user who are looking for iOS smartphone. This is the best smartphone. And the next deal is the Poco M2 Pro. It's an amazing deal. You are getting for just 10,999 using HDFC credit card. It's an amazing deal. If you don't have HDFC card, you will get it for 11,999 464 Poco M2 Pro. You will get Snapdragon 720G chipset, Full HD display, no refresh rate. If you want refresh rate and high capacity 6000 mAh battery, you can certainly look at Poco X3. If you are okay with just 60 Hz display and 48 megapixel camera, then certainly you can look for Poco M2 Pro. It's a very good deal. You'll get 33 watt of fast charging with that. It's an amazing deal for 12,000 rupees, and if you have HDFC credit card, you'll get it for just 11,000. For that price, it's an amazing deal. Now one more amazing deal in Flipkart big saving days is the Realme 7 Pro. It will comes with Super AMOLED display and 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and it has quad camera setup of 64, 8, 2 plus 2 and 32 megapixel front facing camera, and it powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, and it will get massive 65 watt supercharging. You will charge the smartphone very quickly. This is an amazing deal. You will getting like for just 18,999 if you pay prepaid transaction. If you make prepaid transaction, it's for just 18,999, or you can either choose exchange of smartphone. For that price, it's an amazing deal. Realme 7 Pro, you'll get it very good deal for this smartphone. The next deal I am going to tell you, like Poco M2. It's an amazing deal for 9,999. You will get it 1,000 rupees extra discount by using HDFC credit card. For 8,999, you are getting Full HD display. I mean 1080p display and Helio G80 processor, and 5000 mAh battery, and 13 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 camera in the rear and 8 megapixel in the front. You will getting 6 gigabytes of RAM in this smartphone. It's an amazing deal for 8,999 price point. You will getting Full HD display. It's very good, and even the MediaTek Helio G80 is very good processor. You can use it at a budget friendly gaming also. You can certainly look at this smartphone also. Another interesting deal is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It's an older smartphone, I know. You are getting 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage variant for just 44,999, and extra 1000 offer for 43,999. You are getting Exynos 990 processor and 4500 mAh battery and 64 plus 12 plus 12 plus VGA depth camera and 10 megapixel front camera. It's an amazing smartphone, Super AMOLED display, but you need to note that it comes with Exynos 990 processor. If you surpass that one thing, you will get amazing smartphone. It's an amazing smartphone from Samsung. It's a flagship smartphone last year, and it's on deal. Again, a smartphone from Realme Narzo 20 Pro. It's an amazing deal. You are getting for just 12,999 if you use HDFC credit card. Realme Narzo 20 Pro, 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64GB variant. It's an amazing deal. 4500 mAh of battery and MediaTek Helio G95 processor. It's also very good for gaming, and you will get quad camera set of 48, 8 plus 2 plus 2 and front facing camera is 16 megapixel. And good thing in this is the 65 watt charger, supercharged dart charger. You will get it in this smartphone for just 12,999 rupees. You are getting 65 watt of charging. Certainly you can look out for this smartphone. If you are heavy user like gaming and keeping charging, then you can certainly look out for this smartphone. Next deal from Motorola is Motorola One Fusion Plus. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset. If you want that stock Android experience, you can certainly look out for this. You will get additional discount of 1,500 if you exchange any old smartphone. It's an amazing deal, and you will get a 10% instant discount using HDFC credit card. I mean 16,499. And if you exchange any smartphone, it's an amazing deal. You can certainly look out for this smartphone, Motorola One Fusion Plus. You will get 5000 mAh of battery and 64 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel at the back and 16 megapixel front facing camera. Another smartphone from Poco, which is Poco X2. It's an amazing smartphone for 13,999. You're getting 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. And Sony IMX686 sensor. It's a flagship grade sensor you are getting for just 13,999 rupees. It's an amazing sensor. I personally used it, and you'll get 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel depth and macro, and 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel front facing camera, and you will get 120 Hz refresh rate display. It's an amazing experience coupled with 730G. If you like MIUI and glass build, very good build quality also, then you can certainly look at Poco X2 also. You will get 27 watt fast charging also with 4500 mAh per battery. And next deal is like Motorola G9, Moto G9, which is 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 GB variant. You will be getting 1000 rupees extra discount if you exchange any old smartphone. And if you use HDFC Bank credit card, it will be 9,999. For that price, it's okay. You will get just HD display, 720p display. If you want full HD display, you can look at Poco M2, or even if you can extend some budget, you can look at Poco M2 Pro. These are the, and you will get 5000 mAh of battery in this Moto G9. And stock Android experience, if you want that stock Android experience under 9000 with HDFC credit card, you can get amazing deal. You will get 48 plus 2 megapixel camera at the rear side and 8 megapixel front facing camera. It's an amazing deal. If you want only stock Android experience, then you can certainly look out for this smartphone. And if you are a gamer, you want an extensive gaming smartphone, amazing gaming smartphone, then Asus ROG Phone 3 will get 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. You will get 42,999 if you apply HDFC credit card. For that price, it's killer deal. You will get it like Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 plus chipset. It's the only smartphone available with 865 plus, 6000 massive mAh battery, and 64 plus 13 plus 5, 64 megapixel is Sony IMX686 and 24 megapixel front camera, full HD plus display. It's an amazing smartphone for gaming and everything. You can certainly look out if you are interested in gaming is high. For this price, you will don't get better than this smartphone gaming. If you want that iOS software, you can certainly look out iPhone 11 or iPhone 10R. Those also perform very good in gaming, but this particularly made for gaming, so you can certainly look for Asus ROG 3 phone also. And next smartphone with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 is Realme X50 Pro, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. You will get it for 33,999 rupees only. You will get it Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate and 64 plus 12 plus 8 plus 2 in the rear side and 32 plus 8 megapixel dual front facing camera and 4200 mAh battery. It's an amazing deal. If you want that Realme UI, you will like it, then you can certainly look out for this smartphone, Realme X50 Pro. It's a flagship smartphone. Cameras are okay, decent. You can definitely look out if you want that flagship experience. Even you can look out this iQOO 3 smartphone, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of RAM variant. You will getting for just 28,990 rupees. With it's an amazing deal for this also. You will get it Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and 55 watt of fast charging and Super AMOLED display, 4440 mAh. It's a very good deal if you want that AMOLED display and Qualcomm 865 Snapdragon 865 processor. You can certainly look on iQOO 3 also. And these are the deals from Flipkart Big Saving Days from January 20 to 24. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and allow the notifications so that you'll get similar kind of videos first to you. So subscribe it and share this kind of videos. Want to purchase a new smartphone in this 4 days, I mean before Republic Day. This is the big saving days from Flipkart from January 20 to 24. If you have HDFC credit card, you will get best deals among this week. So do check out these deals. If you are purchasing any smartphone, do check out, and thank you. Bye bye.